guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Finn. I know it's been a while, but today we're going to be making pumpkin pulp out of fresh pumpkins, not the stuff you get in the can at the gas station. And so this is really good for making like pumpkin pie or pumpkin muffins or just snacking on the insides. And so first thing you're going to want to do is put your oven at 350 degrees, and the filling freezes really well, so you can just make a bunch of it and save the rest for later. And so when your oven is preheated, you want to cut out the top like this and cut them in half. Okay, so now I've cut my pumpkins in half, and all I'm going to do is scoop out the insides and put them in a bowl for later, or I mean if you don't want to roast them, you just throw them out, but like, why? Okay, so now I've scooped out all the seeds and the stringy stuff. This is what they should look like. And I'm gonna line a baking sheet with foil, and I'm gonna put them on face up like this to roast for 45 minutes in the oven, or until they're tender when poked with a fork. Okay, so my pumpkins are out of the oven. I'm gonna have to let them cool. They were tender with a fork. Flipped them over because they were rolling around. Let them cool so you don't get a second-degree burn by touching them. So my pumpkins have finished cooling. I peeled off the skin, and it comes off pretty easily. And now just chop them up into small pieces, and then we're gonna puree them in a Cuisinart or whatever blender you have. So this is what it should look like. This is our finished pumpkin puree. Go make pumpkin pie or something. I don't know. Bye.